Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, let's open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Oh, let me close it and open it again actually, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now, you can tap on Devices and then select your Huawei Watch D from the list of devices. On this page, find this icon in the top right corner and tap on it to open the menu, and then tap on Unpair Device and tap on Remove. Then tap on OK, like right here. Come on. Oh, I need to check the box, never mind. So check the box and then you can close the app. Now we can open the settings, select the Bluetooth option, find the Huawei Watch D on the list of my devices, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to confirm. And it should disappear from the list of my devices. It means that the watch is completely unpaired from our iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.